Okay, here's my cage. I built my cage. And what I did, I cut this out of a piece of a larger thing made for something else. Used my angle grinder to cut a couple pieces out of that. And then I beat this piece to fit the bar. So it actually rotates with the bar without any extra help from the cleats. And then for now I've got a couple of copper hinges on there, and this will fold over. And then I've got this aluminum piece here that I'll use to secure it shut. Both of those things are going to be replaced by stainless steel at some point. But that's what we're going to be cooking with tonight. Okay, let's strap up this bad boy and see what happens. Here's my thawed out frozen chicken breast. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, we'll put that right. Oh, we got the we gotta grease these stuff. Now normally I don't do that on the counter, but the camera's running. Okay, then we'll take this over here. I got a different piece of metal to close it up with. Just like a twist tie. Alright, squeeze that nice and tight. Okay, and there we go. That is what we're looking like. That looks pretty good. I'm happy. Okay, so plug this into the axle holder and the rotisserie. Set that to rotisserie. Set that for an hour. There we go. Okay, so I'll show you inside. Let me rinse my hands. Okay, here we go. There you go. Look at that. Boy, that's perfect. That came out perfect. Perfectly. Look at that, baby. Oh, that's going to be gorgeous. It's going to be gorgeous. And I won't have that giant trough through the middle of my chicken this time. Beautiful. Okay, well, we'll check that in an hour and see what happens. Okay, 1 hour on. I don't mind telling you that was a long hour. Time is a funny thing. Well, all this metal is at 400 degrees, so I can't exactly unwrap this with my hands. There we go. Okay, so my twist tie is off. Ah, got it upside down. Ooh, look at that. I've got a lozenge in my mouth. Ooh, wow. Oh, that looks good. And the rack came off very cleanly. See if we can get it on a plate. Whoa, and it came right off that rack. Isn't that wonderful? So, no ripped skin and a beautifully cooked hunk of chicken. Chicken breast. Look at that, baby. That is going to be nice. So, there you go. New rack successful. Happy day to ya.